Hi, this is Janet and I'm Sonia, and today we have a new song for you, Payphone by Maroon 5, what she said. Hope you enjoy it.
Yep.
I am a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spend on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder the picture that you know here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but it is too late to try. And say sometimes that you wasted all of your bridges, but now I wasted my night. You turned off the lights, now I'm paralyzed, still stuck inside time when we called in love. But even the sunset in paradise, I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? It happy that it after did exist. I will still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. You turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but just get away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I expected before, but all of your bridges burned down. I wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sunset in paradise, I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? So wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy that I have done did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.